The question is 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus and so on plus 5n minus 3 equals to n into 5n minus 1 divided by 2. So in this question already nth term is given, so no need to find the nth term again. So let us move to our step now. The first step is substituting 1 in the place of n. First, s of 1 equals to sum of the first term. Here first term is 2, so sum of the first term is 2. Now substituting 1 in the place of n in the given formula. The formula is n into 5n minus 1 whole divided by 2. If n equals to 1, substitute 1 in the place of n. So we get 1 into 5 into 1 minus 1 whole divided by 2. 1 as it is into 5 ones are 5 minus 1 whole divided by 2, which is equals to 1 into 5 minus 1 4 divided by 2. If you do cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we remains with 2. Now if we observe these two answers, here when we substituted n equals to 1, we got the answer 2, and s of 1 also answer 2 only. So that we can conclude this statement is true for n equals to 1. The statement or formula. The statement is true for n equals to 1. Okay, now second step. Assume that the statement is true for n equals to k. Simply in the given question, wherever we have n, in the place of n we need to substitute k. So the question is 2 plus 7 plus 12 and so on plus 5n minus 3 is there. So here in the place of n we need to substitute k. So we get 2 plus 7 plus and so on plus we have 5n minus 3. So in the place of n substituting k, 5k minus 3, which is equals to same right side also. Here we right side we have n into 5n minus 1 divided by 2. So in the place of n substituting k, k into 5k minus 1 divided by 2. This is the second step. Now by using this second step only we will solve the third step. Third step, we like to show that the formula or statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. That is to show that now in the given formula wherever we have n, in the place of n we need to substitute n plus 1. Once let us check the formula. N into 5n minus 1 divided by 2. N into 5n minus 1 divided by 2. So here now in the place of n we need to substitute k plus 1. So k plus 1 into 5 into in the place of n k plus 1 minus 1 as it is whole divided by 2. So now I don't have any work with this. Okay, let us simplify this now. It's equals to k plus 1 as it is into 5 into k, 5k plus 5 ones are 5 minus 1 whole divided by 2. K plus 1 into 5k plus 5 minus 1 4 whole divided by 2. So this is what exactly we need to show in the answer. I'll highlight this. Okay, now let us move back to the second step once. In the second step we have this all 2 plus 7 plus and so on plus 5k minus 3. Write that as it is here. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus and so on plus 5k minus 3. Now we need to write the next term in this. Okay, let us observe. From 2 to 7, from 7 to 12, what is the difference? It is 5. So here also for 5k minus 3, I need to add 5. So we get 5k minus 3 plus 5. Now from the second step, if we observe the second step clearly again, 2 plus 7 plus and so on plus 5k minus 3, this total value is k into 5k minus 1 by 2. So this total value is nothing but k into 5k minus 1 divided by 2 plus this one I'll write as it is 5k minus 3 plus 5, it is plus 2. Okay, now here 5k plus 2 doesn't have any denominator, so I will write it that as by 1. Now let us do cross multiplication. Both the denominators are different, so multiply both the denominators. 2 ones are 2. 1 into anything the same, so k into 5k minus 1 plus 2 into 5k plus 2. Here 5k plus 2 having two terms, so that's the reason I am keeping bracket again. 2 into 5k plus 2. Okay, now let us open this. K into 5k, 5k square, k into minus 1 minus k, plus 2 into 5k, 10k, plus 2 into plus 2 plus 4 whole divided by 2. Okay, now let us simplify still further. 5k square as it is, minus k plus 10k plus 9k plus 4 whole divided by 2. So now splitting the middle term into two terms. 5k square as it is plus 9k can be written as 5k plus 4k plus 4 whole divided by 2, which is equals to, from the first and second terms we can take out 5k common. So if we take 5k common, we remains with k plus 1. Then from the third and fourth terms we can take out plus 4 common, so we remains with k plus 1 whole divided by 2. Here k plus 1 is there, here also k plus 1 is there, so taking out k plus 1 common, then in the first term we can remains with 5k plus 4 whole divided by 2. So this is the final answer we got. Now let us check this with our previous one, whether we got same or not. Actually we need to get k plus 1 into 5k plus 4 divided by 2. K plus 1 into 5k plus 4 divided by 2. So we got the correct answer. Then we can say that the statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. The statement is true for n equals to k plus 1 by principle of mathematical induction. The formula is true for all n belongs to natural numbers.